topic we are going to do in the next 1 or 2 weeks is can somebody tell me what is a triangle? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. I'll get to know your name. Yeah, Vijay, go ahead. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Nitisha. Yes, Nitisha. Very good. And what are they called? They're called sides, correct? Correct. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. Anybody else? Very good, Nitisha. Very good, Vijay. Anybody else? Can somebody link it with the topic we studied before holidays? Lines and angles? Anybody? Yeah, go ahead. No, no, nothing like that. There is nothing this that it should be equal. There is a type of triangle which says all angles are equal, equilateral triangle, but not all triangles are having all equal angles. Yes, Nandini J. No, no. What is 180 degree? Give me the correct definition. Yes. Yes, Boja. Correct. This, yeah. No, Boja sent me a message. Yes. So tell me, all three angles will add up to 180 degree, or some angle property of triangle is 180 degrees. So now, children, yes, Muskan. Yes, different types of triangles. Very good. Yeah. Okay. What have I drawn? Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, what am I drawing? What is blue line and red line doing? They are crossing or they are intersecting each other. Correct. Use the correct term. Okay. Intersecting each other. Correct. Okay. Now I'm drawing a third line. Yeah, this is a transversal line, but they are intersecting each other. Transversal comes when you have two lines and a third line intersecting both the lines. Shubhashri. Suppose I had another line like this. Then the blue line is a transversal. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Now I have drawn a yellow line. Can you see a yellow line? What is happening? What What is happening? Yes, Muskan. Yes, Muskan. The, yeah. Okay. So is the yellow line intersecting the blue and red line? No, na? Okay, no problem. So I will delete it. Now I am drawing the yellow line. Is it, is it, is it wait. Let me complete my question. Is it intersecting the blue and red line? What is it doing? What is it doing? It is just intersecting blue line. Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Okay. Can you all see anything? Nothing. No, no. There is no closed space, right? Okay. There is nothing closed. Correct? No? Okay. Now let me do something different. Now what is the yellow line doing? Okay. Can you? Okay. Now tell me, children, what is this space? Triangle. So, what is a triangle? Triangle is nothing but what is it? It is closed, correct? See, it is closed by red, blue, and yellow, correct? It is closed, totally closed. See, so this area is closed. So triangle is what? It is a closed space. Yeah, closed figure. Very good. Very good word. Closed figure or a closed. Yeah, I'll use your word, Vijay. Very good. A closed figure or space. Okay. Closed. Okay. Formed by three intersecting lines. Three intersecting lines. And each line has to intersect the other line once. Correct? No? Correct? Three intersecting lines. So, what is a triangle? So, triangle is a closed figure or space that is formed by three intersecting lines. If any one line was not intersecting the other, there was no use. Correct? No? You cannot form a triangle. Clear? So, children, you see how topics get covered. Lines and angles we studied. Oh, now three intersecting lines where each line has to intersect the other line once. Then we get a triangle. So, see how they get connected. Now, what happens in triangle? Very good. So now now that I've understood triangle, what I will do is I will not always draw these three lines all over. I will only draw the three sides. Correct? No? So I will draw. Did I use blue or green? Correct. Now I got a triangle. Generally, whenever I form a figure, like Vijay rightly said, closed figure, I will mark it. Any name. Okay, I will give it a name. Just like my name is Biju. Moment I was born, my parents named me Biju. Correct? Correct, no? And your parents named you Govardhan or Vijay or Muskan or Sania or Nandini. You got a name. So we will name this. Okay. What do you all want to name this? Triangle? Okay, let's stick to the standard ABC. Okay, but if suppose Sapna says no, no, sir, I want to name this XYZ. Okay, XYZ. Whatever choice. Okay, anything. Okay, okay. So let's stick to ABC. ABC. Now I got a triangle. Now, moment I see a triangle, okay, what do I say? Oh, what does a triangle consist of? What does it consist of? What is it made of? Okay, so what is it made of? Raise your hand. Give me the first. What is it made of? Now, moment you saw a triangle, Vijay, okay, you just have to see. What is this made of? What is this made of? How do you know this is a triangle? Correct? I've drawn ABC. You have named it ABC. Why is it a triangle? Okay, Akshata. Wait, Vijay. Raise your hand. Yeah, Akshata, go ahead. Give me one. First one. Quickly, children. This is all. Akshata, you raise your hand. Okay, Musfira, go ahead. So give me any one. No. Don't use words. Did I say equal anywhere? Ah, what? Give me any one thing. No, give me any one thing. Any one. No. I'm not asking definition. I'm asking ABC. Give me any one element of triangle ABC. Give me any one feature of. For example, Musfira. If I ask Musfira, okay, Musfira has got black hair. Like that, tell me triangle ABC. What has it got? Give me any one feature of it. Any one feature. Musfira, try. Give me any one. Any. You can say red line. No, red line. What is red line? AB. So I will write side AB. Side AB. Nandini, why? Second one. Nandini, why? Give me second feature. You have raised your hand. Nandini, why? Side AC. Very good. So I have side AC. Children, those who are not understanding, let me know. Side AC. Very good. Third, Shubhashri. Side BC. Very good. So I have side BC. Very good. Okay. Fourth, Pawan. Angle ACB. Very good. Angle ACB. Very good. Fifth, Sapna. Sapna. Very good. Angle BCA. Angle BCA. See this angle. Okay. Yeah. Angle BCA you can also write as angle BCA, and you can write this as angle ACB. Same it is. Alphabet. Only the center alphabet should be same. Six, Nandini R. Go ahead. Angle ABC. Or we can write this as angle C. CBA. Okay. Angle ABC or angle CBA. Same. Angle ABC or angle CBA. Same angle only. Correct, no? Correct, children? Yeah. Now, how many elements are there? Six elements or six features. Like Biju sir has got two eyes. With Chashma he has four eyes. Correct? Correct? Okay. So you're like two eyes. I've got two eyes. I've got 2 ears. Okay. How what does the triangle ABC have? It has got three sides and it has got three angles. Correct? It's the angle BAC or CAB. BAC. Angle angle AC. Oh, two times we have done the same thing. Oh, thank you, children. Thank you. So this is same. Oh, see, Biju sir is also in holiday mode. Hmm. Okay, five. Tell me next. Hmm. No, somebody new hand. I want new hand. I want new hand. Nandini ji have asked. Dhanyashri, Tulsi, Bhoja, Sapna have asked. Vijay have asked. Pavni. Pavni. So we had AC angle CAB, or which is same as angle BAC. So we have totally six elements or six features of a triangle. What are the six features? Three sides, and three angles. Yes, Subhashri? Yeah, that are the features. These are the main features of a triangle. Yeah, see, no? One, two, three, four, five, six. No, no, no. How? Where, did I tell you angle A is equal to angle B? Did I tell you? Then how you can tell me angle A equal to angle B? I'm not telling you. It need not be. What is a scalene triangle? You have studied this in the previous. Angle ACB. Child, angle ACB. What is angle ACB? Tell me. I'm moving the my finger. Black color. Correct. That is angle ACB. Correct. What is angle BCA? Same. No, it is same. No. Correct. No. Then why should we know it? It is common sense. No. Whether I write an angle name as ACB or BCA, it is the same angle. It is not different. Yeah. Perpendicular line. So did I say it's perpendicular? Yeah, use. Huh. Huh. Okay. Okay. How many triangles do you have now? How many triangles you have? Two triangles. Two. So what are you trying to say, Vijay? You got two triangles. You put a perpendicular line, you got two triangles. Yeah. So you will still have three angles and three sides, no? I'm telling you all every triangle will have three angles or three sides. You do whatever you want, whichever triangle you want to draw, it will have three angles and three sides. Whatever I want to draw. I want to draw like this. I want to draw like this. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Still I have three sides. One, two, three, and three angles. One, two, three. Six sides. Correct? No? Children, this is very simple. Whether I. Yes, Pawan? Yes, Pawan? You raise your hand. Whether I draw a right angle triangle and I name it OPV, still it has three sides and it has three angles. Only thing is, here we know this is 90 degrees. That's all. Simple. All triangles will have three sides and three angles. That's why it's called a triangle. Six elements. Clear? Clear? So what did we do? So we know that a triangle is a closed space and it has three intersecting lines, and it has, Pawan, lower your hand, it has six elements. Remember this. Six elements or six features. I think we should use the word features. Features is better. Though the book uses elements, but features is a better word. What are the six features? Three sides and three angles. Okay. Now the angles are also called. What are the angles also called? What are the angles also called? Yeah, angles are also called vertices. Vertices. Okay. This is English. Okay. This is called vertice. A, B, C. So you can call it angle A, B, C, or you can call it vertex B. Okay. But generally we use angles. Okay. As you go to higher classes, you will use angles. Okay. So remember this. Okay. Pawan, lower your hand, please. Okay. So children, this was basic of triangles. Always remember, triangle is what? Nothing but a, for everybody. For everybody. Is my voice breaking? Yeah. Yeah. So a triangle is a closed figure or space formed by three intersecting lines. And it has got six features, three angles, and three sides. Correct? Correct? Okay. What are the qualities of a triangle? What are the properties of a triangle? We studied two. Correct? What are the properties of a triangle? Tell me. We studied two. Now let me name this A, B, C. No, Govardhan, lower your hand. I want somebody new. Properties. We just studied in the last chapter. It came for exam also. And just now today morning also we discussed. Yes, Boja. Yes. Can somebody? Yes. Dhaneshi, can you explain? Angle, 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 angle. Angle A, angle, no, 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 no. This is angle ABC, child. This is angle ABC. You have taken only one angle. Tell me the other angle. Plus, plus. See, you told me this angle. Okay. Plus which other angle? Yes, plus angle BAC. So now you have finished this also. Now you have told me this also. Okay. Now which other angle? Yes, plus angle ACB, which is this angle, is equal to 180 degree. Whatever you want to do, a triangle, all three angles will add up to 180 degrees only. You do whatever you want. All of you after class, draw any triangle and measure its angles. It will add up to 180 degrees only. It is magic. Do whatever you want. Draw three intersecting lines in whatever form you want. Whether you want to draw it like this, whether you want to draw three intersecting lines like this, like this, whether you want to draw them like this triangle formed, its angles will be 180. Whether you want to draw it like this, like this, still this angles all will be 180. Draw however you want and measure it with protractor, you will get 180 degrees only. It's like magic. Correct? Do it. Okay, then you will enjoy. Correct? No. You have to draw with scale. Okay. No. You just draw. No, you just draw three lines, straight lines intersecting each other. However you want to draw. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, children? Okay. Yeah. So whatever, however you don't even do measurement, just draw. You will get 180 degree. But straight lines, huh? Don't draw shabbily. Okay. What was the second property? What was the second property we learned? Yeah, Vijay, go ahead. No, that we know. That is a characteristics. What is the other property we learned? No, somebody else. No, Boja. Okay, Nandini J. How can line be equal? Yes. Angle PRD. This angle will be equal to angle QPR. This angle plus, so it will be equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. Very good. Plus angle PQR. This angle, and this will be blue. Correct? So this will be equal to angle PQ. Sorry, which color am I using? Green. Anybody who has not understood? External angle of a triangle. External angle. What is external angle? What is external angle? Outside the triangle. Yes. So angle which is outside the triangle will be equal to the other two interior angles. So this angle, the yellow angle, this angle is equal to this plus this, equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. So for example, if I draw another, Pawan, please lower your hand. Suppose I draw a triangle like this. Okay. And I draw this line extending and I name this X, Y, Z, T. Okay. Now please tell me what is angle XZT equal to. I want new hands, children. I want new hands. Yes, Musfira. Angle XYZ. Okay. Plus angle. Yes. ZX. Yes. Very simple, children. Satya, are you there? Satya? Hello? Satya? Yeah. You understood? Tell me how. Which is angle XZY? Sorry, XZT. Satya. Okay, tell me, Satya, now tell me what is angle TZX equal to? Others, type it in chat box. TZX. Which is angle TZX? Satya? Is it this angle? What I'm drawing in green? Is it this angle? TZX. Is this TZX? No, no, I'm asking Satya. Satya, is this TZX? Satya, what is it? What angle is this? What angle is this? What I'm drawing in green. What angle is it? Who is that? Satya? Okay. So tell me which is TZX? Which is TZX? Is this TZX? Satya? Okay. Is this TZX? Okay. Tell me which is TZX then. Is this TZX? Yes. So very good. Now tell me what is it equal to? Always remember TZX, this angle is friend of this angle. So never this angle won't come into play at all. It will be equal to the other two angles. That means this plus this. Got it? Got it, everybody? Okay, Subhashi, tell me what is TZX equal to? What is T angle TZX equal to? No, it's angle X, Y, and Z means what? How do you write angle? Angle X, Y, Z. Okay, then angle YZT. Angle YZT is a straight line, child. Is it equal to that? Then come on, focus. So you said, first of all, look at this very carefully, children. Look at this. Look at that, what I'm circling in blue. Are these the same angles? These angles? Then what will angle TZ be equal to, Subhashri? Same, no? Angle ZXY. I told you all, this angle plus this angle. That's all. So simple it is. Come on, children. We just studied it last week. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the other two interior angles. Simple. Come on, children. That's why I'm telling you, all need to focus now. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now can you hear me? Wait. I'll make it better. Wait, I'll make it better. Hotspot became off. Okay, then use Galaxy. Oh yeah. Mm, mm. Okay, wait. Wait. Children, can you hear me? One sec, children, one sec. Phone is hanging. My phone is hanging. Wait, children, 1 minute. My phone is stuck. 1 minute. Huh? Okay, can you all hear me now, children? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So where were we? Yeah. So we proved two characteristics: sum angle property and exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Clear? I will give you all worksheet on this today. Okay. Okay. Now let's go next and do something which we have learned from last time. And last year we had studied this word, and I want you all to tell me what is the meaning of this word by raising your hand. Raise your hands. I've asked Musfira already. Govardhan, I've asked, and on new hands. Same hands are coming up, children. Now I will do cold calling. Spandana. Not there. Only 23 children now. Harshita. What is congruency? Yeah, Harshita, tell me. Same. Okay. Good. Akshata. What is congruency? Last year we studied. Hmm. No, we are not dividing at all. No, we are not dividing. Not necessary. Not necessary. Okay. Okay. So you when we divide, what happens? It will become equal. So the two triangles will become equal. They are called congruent. Is it? Okay. Partly correct. Yes. Irfan. What is congruency? Sania. Sania. Children, can you hear me? Okay, Nandini. R. What is congruency? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, congruency is nothing but same, same, exactly same. Same means same shape and same size. Same shape means same angle, Boja. Without same angle, how can you get same shape? Think, correct, no? Same shape and same size means congruent. After class, take 1 rupee coin, same 1 rupee coin, and put it on top of each other. They will be exact size. Okay. Mm, Sapna, Sapna, which pen you are using? Which company? You don't know? Who knows company? Yeah, Subhashri. Yeah, meow meow. What is this pen? Yeah, meow meow. First time I'm hearing. Meow meow. Huh? Me- Acha, meow pen. Okay. Okay, meow pen. Oh, meow. Oh, total meow, is it? Totem meow. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Totem meow pen. So now tell me, Subhashri, when you have to change the refill of a totem meow pen, how do you change it? Huh? Okay. So totem meow refill, when it gets over, you take it out and you will put another refill. And how do you know that refill will fit? So can you go to the shop and ask the shopkeeper, I want totem meow pen refill? Will he give you? No? Okay. So whenever you fit another refill pen, and if it fits correctly means what? They have same shape, they have same size. That means only if they are of same shape and same size can they fit into the same pen body. Correct, no? That means the two refills are congruent. Understood? Because if you have anything which is of different shape or of different size, it will not fit into the pen body. Correct, no? Correct, no? Yes. Battery charger, plug point. You'll put your battery charger plug point, no? Into plug point. Okay. If Govardhan wants to put his battery charger into plug point in my house, will it fit into my house, in my house wall? Will it fit? It will fit. It will definitely fit. If it will definitely fit because, because they are called standardized items. They are always made of same shape and same size in all houses. So that when you change house, you don't have to change your battery charger, you don't have to change your fridge, you don't have to change your TV. They are all plug points are made congruent. Correct? Correct? Yes. Sometimes what happens is if you have Samsung mobile and if you have another Oppo mobile, their chargers don't match. Why? Because they are not congruent. Because they are not made, yeah, because they are not of same shape and same size. They are not congruent. Simple. Okay, so congruency means same. You have to have same shape and same size. And why we study it? Because of all this thing only. Everyday world, we need to have certain things which have to be made of same shape and same size. Otherwise, no use. Otherwise, every time I'll be changing. Every time I buy something new, I'll have to change. If I change my house, I'll have to change all my fridge, TV, everything, bulb, tube light, everything will have to be changed. Not possible, no? That is why one room bulb you can fit in another room bulb holder. Correct, no? So they are made congruent. Yes. So the adapter is made congruent. Bulb holder and the bulb, the bottom side of the bulb is always made congruent. That is why they fit into one another. Yeah, no, congruency, you have to understand concept no first. Then I will give you practice. But you have to understand now what is congruency. Congruency means you have to, it will overlap over each other or it is same. Same shape, same size. Tomorrow onwards, we will start studying congruency of triangles in detail. Today was just introduction. Okay. And this topic you have done in 8th standard, by the way. Remember? Remember SSS, SAS, ASA? Ah. All that is, yeah. And this will continue in 10th also. So that is why this topic is important. So understand the concept and understand why you should learn it. Okay. Because in day to day life, you need things which are similar, which are same. Okay. Otherwise, it is of no use. So that is why congruency comes into play. And tomorrow onwards, we will start studying congruency of triangles in detail and